Hello everyone, my name is Risafa. Tonight we will discuss about Baltic and Northern Seas. Meeting phenomenon, the phenomenon of the water exchange between the Baltic Seas and the North Sea attracted the attention of numerous scientists because their water meet without mixing. Such thing is observed mainly because of the difference in density, but a range of other factors also plays a significant role in the perspective. Thus, it is critical to discuss the geography of the seas and make a detailed description of their hydrography. Except for that, the phenomenon can be considered from the religion's point of view. When two or more bodies of water meet, they mingle as there are no visible barriers that can prevent their mismatch. However, in some cases, this obvious process is not observed. Such supernatural phenomenon is seen at Skagen, Denmark. The waves of the Baltic and North Seas clash into each other as if they are somehow separated. The North Sea meets the Baltic Sea, but their water never mingle, which results in the phenomenon that attracted the attention not only of the scientists, but also the general public, as its unique view is more than just picturesque. The waves of the North Sea are rather gusty, and its water are dark. On the contrary, the Baltic Sea is known for its calm and clear waters. As a result, the place where they meet is vividly seen due to the sharp contrast between the water of their seas. This phenomenon was thoroughly investigated, and the scientists come up to the conclusion that the sea do not mingle because of the difference in their waters. Geography. The area between the North and Baltic Seas consists of several basins. There are four of them, and each different in its topography. The Baltic Sea is claimed to look like a riverbed, the water of which underwent a long geologic history and had numerous names. The submergence or emergence of the region influenced the main characteristics of the waters. As a result, the sea becomes shallower and its surface area diminishes. The geology of the seabed proves that the water were extending slowly and made it slope. On the contrary, the water of the North Sea varied greatly. For example, the approach of the Western and Central Europe made it cut off from the English Channel for some period of time. The bottom of the Northern Sea consists of the sand and the gravel. The change in the ice set also affected the condition of sea and could have even made it dry. Descriptive hydrography of the area, even though the Baltic and North Seas do not mingle, their water exchange when varied water of the Baltic Sea meet with the intensive but short in their duration waves of the North Sea. As a rule, the waves of the Baltic Sea are lower than those of the North one. The temperature of the sea is changeable because of the climate change which causes sudden storm in connection with the wind peculiarities. The North Sea is rather cold as it gains ocean currents. Still, a small portion of the warm current from the English Channel comes to it also. As a result, tidal currents mix and create some kind of layers of water. Those that are on the surface and those that lie deep often differ in the direction. Low salinity water tend to move offshore, while the direction of the sea moves inshore. The mix of the fresh and salt water in the Baltic Sea causes a gradient of the salinity that depends on its depth and its connection with the gradients of temperature. They limit the species of plants and animals that live within the temperature of the sea. The water then is extremely saline in comparison to the rest of the sea can be found near the bottom of the north. At the north, it builds a kit of invisible barrier that prevent of the exchange of oxygen and nutrients, which causes the creation of two different environments within one body of water. In religious approach today, the mixing of water is also discussed from the region's perspective. More than 1,000 years ago, the answer to such phenomenon was also found in Quran. He has granted freedom to the two great seas to meet, yet there is a barrier in between which they cannot dilate. Conclusion: taking everything mentioned into consideration, it can be concluded that the region, the Baltic Sea and the Northern Sea meet but their waters do not mingle, is the difference in their density, which is connection with the salinity. This chemical difference is known as a halocline. Okay, thank you.
This ain't build a bridge. You don't get to pick and choose.